गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरं पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यान श्लोक। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Okay, in the last class we did the, namaste. Last class we did the verses from Maitreya Vasanalabhya 116. We'll just revise once. Maitreya Vasanalabhya Mahapralaya Sakshini Parashakti Paranishta Prajnanaghanarupini Madhvipanalasamatta Matruka Varnarupini Mahakailasanilaya Mrinalamrudurlata. Okay, so we understood that Amma is the Parashakti, ultimate energy. From Amma only everything came, right? And she is in the Mahakailasa, which is referred to as Sahasrara Chakram. The top part of our head is Sahasrara Chakram. So this is the Mahakailasa. And there Shiva Shakti both are there and they are doing the dance. Kailasa. Lasa means dance, Lasyam. So Mahakailasa Nilayam Mrunala Mrududorlata. So she is like a delicate vine, creeper. So it's like the central part, the channel Sushumna Nadi, through which the energy flows. So she is that Mrunala Mrududorlata means that thin channel. She is like a creeper through which the energy is flowing continuously. Okay, let's do the new verses from 118. Who would like to chant with me? Okay, Sitara. Let's do. Mahaniya
महनीया महनीया
Dayamurti
दयामूर्ति दयामूर्ति
Mahaniya Dayamurti
महनीय दयामूर्ति
Again.
महनीय दयामूर्ति
Mahasamrajya
महासाम्राज्य महासाम्राज्य
Shalini
शालिनी शालिनी
Mahasamrajya Shalini.
महासाम्राज्य शालिनी
Again.
महासाम्राज्यशालिनी
Yes. Atmavidya
आत्मविद्या आत्मविद्या
Mahavidya
महाविद्या महाविद्या
Atmavidya Mahavidya
आत्मविद्या महाविद्या आत्मविद्या महाविद्या
श्रीविद्या
श्रीविद्या
कामसेविता
कामसेविता
श्रीविद्या कामसेविता
श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्रीविद्या कामसेविता
We'll do once more, one more. Shri Shodasha
षोडश षोडश
Akshari Vidya
अक्षरी विद्या
Shodashakshari Vidya.
षोडशाक्षरी विद्या
Yes, very good. Again.
षोडशाक्षरी विद्या
Shri Shodashakshari Vidya
षोडशाक्षरी विद्या षोडशाक्षरी विद्या
Perfect. Trikuta
त्रिकूटा
Kamasevita. Oh, sorry. Kamakotika
कामकोटिका
Trikuta Kamakotika
त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका
Kataksha
कटाक्ष
Kinkari
किङ्करी
Bhuta
भूता
Kataksha Kinkari Bhuta
कटाक्ष किङ्करी भूता
Kamala
कमला
Koti Sevita
कोटि सेविता
Kamala Koti Sevita.
कमला कोटि सेविता
Very good. So now what these verses say is Amma is Mahaniya. She is great, right? She is the greatest. So she is Mahaniya. But how she is, though she is so great and ultimate, she is so all powerful. She is Dayamurti. She is all compassionate. Karuna, right? She is Aruna and Karuna. So she is Dayamurti. And she is Maha Samrajya Shalini. Samrajya means her kingdom. And how it is also Maha, means greatest kingdom she is ruling. Which is her kingdom? Any guess?
universe
The whole universe, the whole cosmos is Amma's Samrajyam, her kingdom. And she is the ruler there. So, Amma is Mahaniya, but she is compassionate. Dayamurti, Maha Samrajya Shalini. Then, she is Atma Vidya. So, she is the knowledge. Which knowledge? She will give us the knowledge of our own self, Atma. Atma Vidya. And how it is? It is the greatest Vidya. Out of all knowledges we have, knowing our self, realizing who we are is the greatest knowledge we can have. All these other knowledges of science, maths, or tennis, drawing, all other knowledges are always lower than the knowledge of the ultimate knowledge of the self. So, Atma Vidya, Mahavidya. In Dasha Mahavidyas also, we have the third Vidya as Shodashi Vidya, Mahatripura Sundari Vidya. Okay, if you remember. So, she is the third Vidya. Amma's Vidya is third one, which is the Mahavidya, Shodashi Mahavidya, Shri Vidya. And it is Shri Vidya. Amma's knowledge is always Shri, right? What is Shri? Shri is?
ultimate
She's ultimate what? She gives ultimate energy. And with that energy, we get to fulfill all our desires. So all the auspicious things we want in life can be acquired when we are connected to Amma, the energy, ultimate energy. So Shri means auspiciousness. So all goodness, it will make us happy. So whatever we want will be fulfilled and we'll be happy. So it is Shri Vidya. Amma's knowledge is Shri Vidya and Kama Sevita. Kama, again Kama is coming. So who is Kama?
Like god of desires.
Correct. Kama Vidya. So Kama is the god of desire. He is Manmatha. He will make our man to desire things. So he is the Kama Sevita. So whoever wants anything in life, they all do the seva of Amma. They are connected to Amma and everything will be fulfilled. Lord Shiva is also called Kama because he is Kama Ishvara, right? He got the desire to manifest as this universe. So he was in meditation, but then he got the desire because of Amma's he gets attracted to Amma and all that story we saw, right? And then he wants to now manifest as this universe. So even Lord Shiva he can manifest as this world only with the help of Amma. Without energy, universe cannot be manifested. So for the universe to be manifested, even Lord Shiva needs Amma's energy. He needs that energy to manifest. So Kama here is Manmatha, as well as Lord Shiva is also considered Kama because he has the desire to manifest now. Next, the Vidya is Sri Shodasha Akshari Vidya. Now this knowledge is referred to as Sri Shodasha Akshari, Amma's mantra. So any energy goddess we connect through a mantra. It is the channel through which we can connect to god or goddesses. So every god, every goddess will have a mantra to it. So for this, to connect to Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, we have the mantra which has 16 letters. So Shodasha means 16 in Sanskritam. The numbers like Ekam, Dve, it comes. So the number 16 is called Shodasha, right? So Amma's mantra will have Shodasha Akshari. Akshara means letters. So Sri Shodasha Akshari Vidya. And how it is divided into 3 parts. The mantra has 3 parts in it. So Trikuta. 3 means 3, number 3. So Trikuta Kama Kotika. So when we connect through the mantra, all the crores of desires Kama we have will be fulfilled. And crores of people also, devotees, pray to Amma. They connect to Amma through this mantra. Okay. So Trikuta Kama Kotika. So Amma not just fulfills all the desires of materialistic things we want. Amma also fulfills the greatest desire to attain moksha. So that is the greatest thing. That's why it is Mahavidya. So that we should not forget. So Amma gives this and that. Bhukti and Mukti, we say. So all the materialistic desires as well as spiritual desire to realize ourselves is fulfilled. She is the channel to us, for us. Any questions?
Clear, auntie.
Clear. Very good. Okay, then we shall repeat together once the verses we learned from 118. Mahaniya Dayamurti Mahasamrajyashalini Atmavidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kamasevita Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika Kataksha Kinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita. And here Kamala is referred to goddess Lakshmi also. She is Kamala, right? Kamalatmika. She is So she is in the lotus. And goddess Lakshmi is the richness, all the riches, not just wealth, but anything we want can be acquired through goddess Lakshmi only. So she is referred here as Kamala. Okay, who would like to chant individually? Okay, twin brothers are ready. Start.
I like
118.
Mahaneyadayamurtir Mahasamrajyashalini Atmavidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kamasevita Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika Katakshakinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita.
Amazing, perfectly chanted. Sriharsha and Praharsha. A lot of improvement.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, next. Okay, Surya, Sitar together or individually you want to chant?
Individual.
Okay, come on.
महानेयदयामूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्रीषोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका कटाक्षकिङ्किरीभूता कमला कोटिसेविता.
Nice. The first word, it is Mahaniya. Mahaniya. Okay, Sitara.
महनीय दयामूर्ति महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामको सेविता श्रीषोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूट कामकोटिका कटाक्ष किंकरी भूता कमला कोटि सेविता.
Very nice. Next, anybody else?
Auntie, can I chant?
Okay, Naga.
Mahaniya Dayamurti Mahasamravashalini Atma Vidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kamasevita Shri Shoda
Akshari, Shodashakshari.
Shri Shoda Shakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika Katakshakinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita.
Perfect. Here you just notice, you just chant them as one A. Then it will be easy. Shodashakshari Vidya.
Like
Okay?
this?
Huh.
Shodashakshari Vidya.
Yes, you got it. So just
Okay.
combine A and A. A becomes A. Okay. Next. Anybody else?
Auntie, can I go?
Okay, Akshaya.
Mahaniya Dayamotirmahasamrajyashalini Atmavidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kamasevita Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kamakotika Katakshikinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita.
Wonderful. You are all becoming experts.
Thank you.
Very nicely chanted. Good flow. Okay, I think we can do another verse also. Anybody else would like to chant?
Can I, Auntie?
You're done now, right? No, for the new verses? Wait. No, I'm asking in these 4 verses, anybody else would like to chant? Okay, we'll go to the new ones. We'll do 2 more. 120. Okay, Akshay, you want to do? Okay, let's start. Shirasthita.
Shirasthita, Shirasthita,
Chandranibha.
Chandraniba, Chandraniba,
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा.
Again.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा.
बालस्था.
बालस्था.
बालस्तेन्द्र.
बालस्तेन्द्र.
We can say Bhalasthendra. 1 second. Shirasthita Chandraniba Bhalasthendra Danu. Okay, we can say anything. Balasthendra.
बालस्तेन्द्र.
Dhanuh Prabha.
धनुप्रभा. धनुप्रभा.
Here we have to bring the f sound. PH. F. The P becomes Prabha. P becomes F. Remember that. So whenever the H comes before P, we have to bring out the sound as F. Dhanuh Prabha, like that.
धनुप्रभा. धनुप्रभा.
Correct. Balasthendra.
बालस्तेन्द्र. बालस्तेन्द्र.
Dhanuh Prabha.
धनुप्रभा. धनुप्रभा.
We'll do again. Shirasthita Chandranibha.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा. शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा.
Balasthendra.
बालस्तेन्द्र. बालस्तेन्द्र.
Dhanuh Prabha.
धनुप्रभा. धनुप्रभा.
Hridayastha.
हृदयस्था. हृदयस्था.
Raviprakhya.
रविप्रख्या. रविप्रख्या.
Trikonantara.
त्रिकोणान्तर. त्रिकोणान्तक.
Antara. Trikonantara.
त्रिकोणान्तर. त्रिकोणान्तर.
Deepika.
दीपिका. दीपिका.
Hridayastha Raviprakhya.
हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या. हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या.
Trikonantara Deepika.
त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका. त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका.
Very good. So what these verses say is, Shira means head. Okay. So Amma is Shirasthita, located here. Chandranibha, she is shining there like the moon. So Chandranibha, Bha means always radiant. The radiance is shining. And Bhalasthendra, Balastha and Bhalastha. PH also we can use. Both means same only, like the moon. Balasthendra, Dhanuh Prabha. So Indra means Lord Indra, right? And it means Lord. So Balasthendra Dhanuh Prabha. So this verse is says that the energy, the top, whatever is there, the Sahasrara Chakram, is considered as the Chandra Mandalam, the area of Lord Moon. He is the Lord there. He is the Indra. It is called Chandra Mandala, and it is ruled by Lord Moon. So that radiance that is emitted as Sahasrara Chakra, the ultimate place, right? Shiva Shakti is there. So the energy from Mooladhara, it moves up. So final state is this Chandra Mandala. So Shirasthita Chandranibha Bhalasthendra Dhanuh Prabha. Then Hridayastha means in the heart place is said to be the place of Ravi. Ravi is Lord Sun. So when the energy is in heart chakra, it is connected to Lord Sun. The petals also, if you see, it will be 12 petals, like the 12 months of the year. So Lord Sun always will have 12 number. So every month sun moves in from one rasi to other rasi. So it is these 12 petals connected to Lord Sun, and the energy of sun is prayed there. Ravi Prakhya Trikona Antara Deepika. So Amma is always considered three, right? She's Tripura Sundari, Trikuta, Trikona. So Trikona is a triangle. She's a triangle of the energies. So the three energies are there. So in the triangle, it is the energy of moon, sun, and Agni, fire. These are the three energies. In the universe, the energy of radiance is in three forms always. So these three are Agni, moon, fire, moon, and sun. So these three are the energies. And so this verse says, what is it? Hridayastha Raviprakhya Trikona Antara Deepika. So Antara means inside. And the one who gives energy to all the three. See, the greatest lights are these three, right? And to these three, who gives the energy? Amma, the center one, Antara Deepika. She is the central one who will give light to energy to even the sun, even the moon, and even the fire. They get energy from Amma only. So Amma is the greatest, right? So Trikona Antara Deepika. So Amma gives energy to even Lord Sun, Moon, and fire. And our body is also connected to these three energies. The top part is considered Chandramandala. Middle part, heart chakra, is considered Surya Mandala. And lower part is considered Agni Mandala, fire. So from fire, it goes to the sun's energy. And finally, it's the moon's energy we connect to. So that's what this verse say. Shirasthita Chandra Nibha Palastha Palasthendra Dhanuh Prabha Hridayastha Raviprakhya Trikonantara Deepika. Any questions?
Clear, auntie.
Clear. Okay. Here Palastha is also means here it is like the Agnya Chakra. Agnya Chakra part is referred. Pala means this is called the Pala. Like moon, right? It is Palasthendra Dhanuh Prabha, and the eyebrows are like Dhanus, like the arrow. So there the whatever is shining, Dhanuh Prabha, the Agnya Chakra, from there the radiance emits, right? That's why we all put bindi there, kumkum or vibhuti. So the eyebrow part, the Agnya Chakra is referred here. Palasthendra Dhanuh Prabha. Prabha means again radiance. And it's all the Chandramandala. From Agnya Chakra to Sahasrara, it's all Chandramandala. Okay, any questions?
Clear, auntie.
Clear. Okay, we'll chant together. 120 and 121. Half. Shirasthita Chandranibha Bhalasthendra Dhanuh Prabha Hridayastha Raviprakhya Trikonam Taradipika. Next comes the story of Daksha. So I stopped there itself. We'll see next week. Dakshayani will come next week. We'll see that next. Anybody would like to chant individually?
We want to chant. We want to chant.
Okay, Sri Harsha, Praharsha.
Sthira, 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 sthita, chandranibha, bhalasthaindra, dhanuh prabha, hridayastha, ravi prakhya, trikona, antaradipika, dakshayan.
That's all. We didn't do that. You're done. Good job. Nice. Okay, next. Surya Sitara. Come on. Surya, start.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा बालस्तेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका.
Perfect. So just note that it will be P also somewhere. Palasta. So both are correct. Okay, Sitara.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा बालस्तेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका.
Very nice. Anybody else?
Naiko?
Sure, Naga.
शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा बालस्तेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा हृदयस्था रविप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका.
Very nice, Nana. Good. Good job. Anybody else? Okay. If nobody, we'll stop here. We'll do the ending prayers. Okay. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः
हरिः
ॐ
ओम